Imagine if you could find a tiny US company quietly using artificial intelligence to power the next generation of intelligent machines, a company so under
the radar that most investors haven't even heard its name.
Yet its technology could reshape industries from energy to automation. In today's video, you're not just going to hear another generic AI stock to watch story. You're going to discover a real US penny stock that's developing AI-driven systems capable of analyzing data, predicting outcomes, and accelerating scientific discovery in ways most companies can only dream of. You'll see how this firm, trading for just a few dollars, is merging machine learning with materials innovation to create breakthroughs that could one day power electric vehicles, smart factories, and even next-generation computing. I'll break down its products, its financials, its latest quarterly numbers, and where it could be heading next. So, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why some analysts are starting to pay attention to this name while it's still flying under Wall Street's radar. If you've ever wondered how early investors spot future tech stories before they become mainstream, you're going to learn that process today. So make sure you hit that like button. Let's aim for 500 likes to push this deep dive to more people who love uncovering hidden AI gems. Drop a comment if you enjoy discovering small companies with big ideas. And stick with me till the end because this one might just surprise you. Before we dive in, let me make one thing clear. This isn't about hype, it's about discovery. Every day, massive tech giants dominate the headlines, but behind the scenes, smaller innovators are quietly building the tools that those giants might rely on in the future. Today's company is one of those underdogs, an AI-driven US penny stock using machine intelligence not just for software automation, but to accelerate scientific progress itself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes this company's technology different, how it's performing financially, and why it's suddenly drawing attention from early investors who specialize in spotting hidden opportunities before the crowd arrives. Imagine a company quietly building the next generation of intelligence systems, software that can see, understand, and make decisions faster than humans. That's the story of CSAI Corporation, a US-based technology firm trading around the $3 range, now gaining attention for its bold shift toward artificial intelligence and data-driven innovation. It's still a small player in the grand tech landscape, but one that's beginning to turn heads as investors search for the next wave of affordable AI opportunities. SCSAI's core identity centers on developing applied AI solutions that merge computer vision, advanced analytics, and machine learning. The company's focus is on using real-time data from sensors, cameras, and industrial systems to power smarter automation. Its products help industries like security, transportation, and manufacturing make data-backed decisions faster and more accurately. One of the company's most interesting angles is its software for computer vision and video analytics, systems that can interpret live camera feeds, identify objects, detect patterns, and deliver insights without human input. This technology is being used in smart cities, retail analytics, and enterprise surveillance. Beyond software, SCSAI is also exploring how artificial intelligence can accelerate scientific research, particularly in materials discovery and energy solutions. It's working on AI-driven tools that can model battery chemistry and molecular interactions, a potentially lucrative path as global industries race toward cleaner and more efficient energy systems. If the company succeeds in merging machine learning with physical sciences, it could position itself in a niche no other small cap has yet dominated, using AI to design the materials that power future electric vehicles, sensors, and microchips. Financially, SCSAI is still in its early growth phase. Its quarterly revenues hover in the low millions, with recent reports showing around $3 to $4 million in sales for the second quarter of 2025. The company maintains a manageable balance sheet and has guided toward annual revenue between $15 and $25 million. While these numbers may seem modest, they represent consistent growth from the previous year and show that SCSAI is finding a market for its specialized technologies. The management team has also emphasized maintaining a lean structure, avoiding heavy debt, and investing primarily in product development and partnerships rather than aggressive marketing. Recent quarter results reveal some promising signs. In Q2 2025, SCSAI released new enterprise software versions and announced pilot projects with clients exploring industrial automation and smart security. Those announcements, combined with improving financial figures, triggered notable trading spikes, including a week when the stock jumped more than 70%. That volatility highlights how quickly sentiment can shift around small AI companies, especially when new contracts or government pilot programs are mentioned. But investors should also recognize the risks. CSAI operates in a fiercely competitive field dominated by giants like NVIDIA and Palantir. Scaling from small contracts to enterprise-level adoption will take time, resources, and credibility. The company also received a notice earlier this year from the NYSE about its share price occasionally falling below the $1 listing requirement. A reminder of the thin line penny stocks often walk between opportunity and instability. The stock's low float and limited liquidity can amplify every piece of news, both positive and negative, leading to sharp price swings within days. Still, the potential upside keeps traders and analysts watching. The world is rapidly integrating AI into nearly every workflow, and small firms with domain-specific expertise often become acquisition targets or partnership candidates. If SES AI continues to prove its models and grows its recurring software revenue, it could see both valuation and institutional attention rise significantly. Its focus on real-world industrial and scientific applications, rather than consumer-level AI hype, gives it a unique positioning that long-term investors may find intriguing. Looking ahead, there are several catalysts that could move the stock again. The next quarterly earnings release will reveal whether the company can maintain double-digit revenue growth and whether new enterprise clients are converting into paying customers. Investors will also watch for updates on any partnerships in the materials and energy sector, which could validate SES AI's work in AI-powered molecular design. Even minor developments in that area could signal a major technological edge, since the fusion of AI and material science is still a frontier few have mastered. Ultimately, SES AI represents the classic speculative AI story. High risk, high volatility, but undeniable potential. It's a small company trying to build meaningful technology in one of the fastest evolving industries in the world. Its success will depend on execution, funding, and the ability to scale from pilot projects to profitable enterprise contracts. But for those who follow emerging tech trends and understand the gamble of penny stocks, SES AI offers a fascinating case study of where artificial intelligence, data analytics, and next-generation materials research might converge. And that wraps up today's deep dive into one of the most overlooked AI penny stocks in the U.S. market. We've seen how this company is quietly building advanced technology that merges artificial intelligence, data analytics, and scientific discovery. And while it's still early in its journey, the groundwork it's laying today could turn into something remarkable in the years ahead. Whether it becomes the next breakout story or simply remains a bold experiment in AI innovation, it's a perfect reminder of how fast this space is evolving and how small players can sometimes disrupt entire industries. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with a friend who loves discovering early tech opportunities. And let's smash our goal of 500 likes to bring more in-depth research like this to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future episode where we uncover the next hidden gem in the AI revolution. So keep your eyes on this space, because in the world of artificial intelligence, today's penny stock can become tomorrow's headline. The companies we study now could be shaping the next generation of technology before most people even notice. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, every big story starts small.